Ever wrestled with WebSocket connections that drop like a toddler's puzzle pieces? We've all been there. Clients ghosting presence indicators, reconnection logic turning into spaghetti code, and servers melting under 10K concurrent users. This pack crushes those pain points with battle tested modules. Room based pub sub architecture using Redis adapters, presence tracking with heartbeat validation, exponential backoff reconnection strategies, and atomic sync protocols for CRDTs. Whether you're a React Node.js junkie, a backend engineer scaling SaaS platforms, or a DevOps lead wrestling infrastructure, say goodbye to server tantrums. Real-time features shouldn't be this hard. Here's what's inside the WebSocket real-time pack. Instant room creation with namespace partitioning. Presence tracking via heartbeat validation and Redis setanks. Auto reconnection with jittered exponential backoff. Server client sync using Lamport timestamps. Horizontal scaling module with Kubernetes ready state sharding. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks. We hit 50K ops per second on AWS C6G.4x large, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a library, it's your ops manual for real-time dominance. Installing the WebSocket real-time pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add WebSocket real-time pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow, all 7 modules, config files for Socket.io and WS libraries, benchmark suites, and even Docker Compose for local Redis clusters. Your next Claude Code session auto-detects the pack, and your AI assistant gains superpowers, explaining back pressure strategies, debugging connection leaks, and optimizing shard keys. No more copy-pasting Stack Overflow code like it's 2013. Real-time made reliable, now in your IDE.